In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove any green screen in VSDC video editor. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your video editing program and then open up your clips where one of them needs to be the green screen. From here, you need to hover over to the green screen and go up here to video effects. When you click on this, you need to go down here to transparency, and then you can click background remover. And as you can see, this object position settings will pop up and you just need to click OK. From here, this page will pop up something called chroma key color, and you need to click on the pen color here. And then you just need to click on the background that you want to remove, like so. And as you can see, now you have officially removed the green screen. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!